In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Collaborator to Gumroad products. If you sell digital products with a partner, a contractor, or a guest creator, Gumroad's collaboration feature makes revenue sharing simple and automatic. Here's how to set it up smoothly, along with a few practical tips to avoid common mistakes. First, sign into your Gumroad creator account. Make sure you're using the account that owns the product you want to share. It helps to have your collaborator's Gumroad account email and your agreed revenue split ready before you begin. Next, open the product you want to share and head into its settings. In that area, you'll see an option labeled Collaborations or Add Collaborator. The exact wording may vary slightly based on interface updates, but you're looking for the place where you can invite someone to receive a percentage of that product's sales. If you have multiple products, remember that collaborations are set per product, so repeat this process for each item you want to share. When you're in the collaboration section, enter your collaborator's Gumroad account email and the split percentage you've agreed upon. Double-check the email to make sure it matches the one they use on Gumroad, and confirm the split is correct before you proceed. Keep in mind that the split should reflect your agreement, whether it's an even 50-50 or something custom based on your roles. Gumroad will take care of calculating and distributing the amounts automatically for new sales of this product. Once everything looks good, save your changes. After you save, Gumroad will send a notification to your collaborator. They'll be prompted on their side to accept the collaboration so they can start receiving their share. If they don't see the notification, suggest they check their dashboard or email folders. From this point forward, revenue from that product will be split according to the settings you just configured. This applies to future sales. Previous sales are not adjusted retroactively. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep a written record of your agreed split for clarity, especially if you plan to change it later. If you ever need to adjust percentages or remove a collaborator, you can return to the same collaboration area and update the settings. Also, be sure to test your checkout flow to verify the product is active and everything looks correct on the product page. That's it. Simple, clear, and reliable. You've now set up a collaborator for your Gumroad product and put revenue sharing on autopilot.